have a great movie for you, how you can do it here in Mexico. And we start with Cozumel tonight. Let's talk about Cozumel. I could be a great video blogger.
You should be.
Yeah.
You should be.
So this morning we're gonna make a movie. We're gonna make a movie for someone else. We're gonna make a daily vlog, but we're also gonna make some type of advertisement or some type of video for someone else, which is exciting. It was a cool project. It was a cool project to do. I love interacting with people and just having an idea and trying to execute that idea. And great news is we have some really cool drone shots. Most importantly, I didn't crash the drone. Just always a win. There you go. Excuse me. Sorry. Pardon me. Excuse me. Pardon me. It is hot out there, and the one thing I've recognized that I need to do a better job of is laundry control, because I'm awfully sweaty. I need to buy more shirts or something. Anyways, today's an exciting day. We started the day off by filming someone else's advertisement, which I think is gonna be really good. I think maybe at the end of this vlog, I might put in a little clip of it to see if I'm somewhat finished, but today's a big work day. I gotta get an Adventurous 3 video out for tomorrow, but then 2, we were invited to a barbecue later today, which means my evening is going to be taken up, which eliminates some of my work time. So I gotta start working now. So the Jamie, the guy I'm making the video for the paint store, he just texted me and wants to meet his coworker or partner, and I just got done halfway through the edit for the Adventurous 3 video, and I'm at a spot where I could take somewhat of a kind of a break. The Adventurous 3 videos are often broken up over multiple days. They're not a daily vlog, so it's there's different waves to the actual edit, and I'm at a break point right now, so why not take a little walk, little break, and go meet the Jamie's coworker. Let's go. Pretty unique experience, that's for sure. So the language barrier is definitely challenging, but it's one of those things that everyone has a common interest, right? And just chasing their passion. For me, my passion is video. All right, time to get back to work. Look at these giant headphones, they're ridiculous. After a long day editing, we were invited to a barbecue with our buddy Rafa. Rafa?
Bless you.
Sorry, Rafa. All right, let's go. It's on the Lido deck, I believe. That's the 5th floor, right?